Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download files from Proton Drive in 2026. So if you've stored files in the cloud and want to save them back to your device, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see all your uploaded files. Next, browse your files or open the folder where your file is stored. Then locate the file you want to download. Now click on the file you want to download. This will open file options or a preview screen depending on the file type. Next, click the download button. Your file will start downloading automatically to your device. Now wait a few seconds for the download to finish. The time depends on your file size and internet speed. Once it's done, go to your device's Downloads folder to make sure the file has been saved properly. Now you can open the file or move it to another folder for better organization on your device. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded files from Proton Drive. Now your important data is safely back on your device and ready to use anytime. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.